All right, so I'm Brady Lassard. I'm part of the AR-37 restoration class. Got this beautiful piece of machinery here. So this is a 1977 Mercury Cougar. We put a transmission in it. Unfortunately, the other one didn't drive forward, and we put a water pump in it as well. I need to fix the valve seals in it just because it burns oil, and I also need to fix the oil pan gasket because it leaks a lot. I plan on either clear coating this patina paint job or painting it this original factory color that this is. I'm not sure of the name, but it's more of a mint green. Drives amazing. It floats like a Cadillac, or as you could say, Mercury, because it's a Mercury. So I plan on bringing this car back to New Hampshire when I graduate in March. I want to try and drive it, but it needs a lot of work to get there, but we'll see how I can get done in the next 4 months.